Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Wix to Google Search Consoles in 2026. Want your Wix site to appear on Google faster? Search Console is essential, and you can do that just by following these few simple steps. So let's follow them together. The first thing to do is to open Google Search Console, and to do that, you're gonna go to search.google.com Search Console. And click on Start Now if you haven't started an account yet. Once you do that, you're going to click on Add Property and choose the domain and URL. As you can see here, you can write down the URL or the domain and then click on Continue. The second step is to verify with Wix. Once you finish setting up your domain or your URL, you're going to move to the Wix website. You're going to go to wix.com. And there you're going to go to the Wix dashboard by signing into your account. I'm just going to choose this website right here. Then you're going to click on the SEO tools. You can search for them in the search bar by looking for the SEO tools like this. Or you can go in the SEO settings as a general thing. Then you're going to click on site verification. You're going to look for the site verification. You can also look for it here. Like type in site verification. And see if you click and choose this option right here. Then you're going to pass the verification code. Now, after that, you're just going to confirm and go back to the Search Console and click Verify. The fourth step is to submit the sitemap. We're going to open the sitemap and enter the /sitemap.xml, then submit, and you're going to check indexing and errors. And that's it. That's how you connect Wix to Google Search Console. And if you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.